Alright guys, I talked a lot in my other videos, so let's get back to work and let's make some money, okay? So let's see what we are dealing as a truck driver. I'm gonna show you the load board right now. Let's go. Alright guys, check this out. Look at this load right here. 1135 mile, only fucking 975. Look at the market rate. This is the market rate, 1339, man. They don't pay shit here in Washington, bro. Check this out. What do we do with this load? Huh? This is called slap in the face rate.